Why are you running back? They're up. Okay, call it up. Peek now, peek now, everyone peek, everyone peek. Zach, you're whiffing. Zach.
His head is so small, dude. What am I gonna do? Alright, don't peek, don't peek. He has an up. Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. You have a shotgun. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Give me the op.
Zach and Kimber.